Now this is how you can go back to the full keyboard on the iPad, and let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this. So if your keyboard is like this, that it's floating or it might be split in the middle or whatever, in order to come back, you can utilize either the gestures. So you can, for example, pinch out like this and it should return it back to the original full screen mode, right? So that would work out if you want to use the gesture approach. However, you can also just hold down on the individual like buttons, so you can perhaps switch the view that way. So I mean, like if you are on the full page, for example, and hold down on the keyboard button, you can go to the floating one, and you can also just go back to the other one like that. So as you can see, there is the gesture approach as well as the like button. So you can see the three dots. You can drag the floating keyboard around or switch the full screen mode. So yeah, there are more ways how you can do this. And as I said, like the iPad mini or even some older like iPads have the split keyboard as well, because the iPad Pro only has the floating or full screen, but there are iPads which have even one more keyboard type, so it might be even split. But as well, you can either pinch it all together or use the buttons to go back to the full screen mode. So I hope that I could explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if it worked out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.